Egg recipe for breakfast. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Sheet pan eggs. Ingredients: a sheet pan, foil, cooking spray, salt and pepper, and a dozen eggs. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Cover your sheet pan in full foil and spray down with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Crack your 12 eggs carefully, making sure not to get any shells in the sheet pan. Try to crack your yolks in a way that keeps your eggs in their own section to make for an easy spatula cut. Season the top of eggs with salt and pepper to taste. Once the oven has reached 425 degrees, put the sheet pan in the oven until the desired yolk center. Number 2. High-protein, healthy egg scramble with quinoa. Ingredients: large eggs, slightly beaten, 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella or Parmesan, 1 cup of fresh spinach, thoroughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1/4 cup of cooked quinoa, a pinch of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of microgreens or fresh basil, optional. Instructions: over medium heat, heat the extra virgin olive oil and garlic in a small frying pan. Whisk the eggs in a small bowl and pour into the pan. Once the eggs start to cook, add in the spinach, cheese, quinoa, and mix together. Season with salt and pepper. Garnish with more cheese and any fresh herbs that you prefer. Number 3. Eggs Florentine. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 4 English muffins, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 10 cups of baby spinach leaves, salt and pepper to taste. And for the hollandaise sauce, you need 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 egg yolks, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: make the hollandaise sauce. Melt the butter in a small saucepan. Beat the egg yolks. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks. Add in the lime juice, heavy cream, salt, and pepper. Temper the eggs. Next, you need to temper the eggs by adding a small amount of the hot butter to the egg mixture. Stir it well and repeat this process, slowly adding 1 spoonful of hot butter to the egg mixture. We do this to avoid curdling the eggs. Return to the saucepan. Finally, add the whole mixture back to the saucepan and cook it for a few more seconds. Poach the eggs. Heat the water. Fill the pot with about 3 inches of water and heat the water until it starts to steam and bubble just before boiling point. Add vinegar. Add a splash of vinegar to the water. This helps the eggs stay together once it is in the water. Crack the egg. Crack 1 egg in a small dish. I like to use a small measuring cup. Whirlpool. Next, create a gentle whirlpool in the water by taking a large spoon and circling around in the water. Pour your egg into the center of the swirl. Cook. While it's cooking, make sure to watch the water temperature. You never want the water to boil, so if it gets too hot, you may need to turn down the heat. It should stay just below boiling point. How long you cook your poached egg depends on your personal preference. I like to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes for a slightly runny yolk. Remove the poached egg with a slotted spoon. Number 4. Healthy egg muffin cups. Meal prep idea. Ingredients: half a dozen eggs, coconut oil for the muffin tin. Choose any from the following: kale chopped, baby spinach chopped, tomatoes diced, onions finely chopped, red bell peppers finely chopped, green peppers finely chopped, mushrooms finely chopped, goat cheese crumbled, and basil finely chopped. Mozzarella cheese shredded, salt and pepper to taste, other seasonings too like oregano or garlic powder, and fire roasted salsa for topping the eggs. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a non-stick muffin tin with non-stick cooking spray or melted coconut oil. Set aside. Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Place 2 to 3 items from the list above into each tin. You can customize each muffin cup however you'd like. Pour the egg mixture on top, leaving 1/4 inch from the top. Bake for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean for each frittata. Remove from the oven. Use a knife to go around the edges and pop out the egg cups. To reheat, simply place one egg muffin in the microwave for 35 to 45 seconds on high or until warm. Enjoy!